the asana. Supta Matsyendrasana. In Sanskrit, Supta means supine or reclined. Matsyendra means lord of the fish. Asana means pose. In English, it's called a Reclined Spinal Twist Pose. Steps and adjustments of Supta Matsyendrasana. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with palms facing down. Bend your right knee and keep the feet close to the left knee. Extend your both arms sideways in line with the shoulders. Lift the right feet, keep it close to the left outer edge of the left knee. With exhalation, simultaneously turn your neck to the right side and right knee to the left side. Further exhalation by using your left hand, gently press down the right knee as much possible from your side. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. Slowly release your hands on the knees and take your right leg inside your left knee and close your hands. Bring your hands by the sides of your body, release your legs and relax in Shavasana. Benefits of Supta Matsyendrasana. Number 1. Improves spinal flexibility. Number 2. Relieves pain in hips and lower back. Number 3. Improves digestion. Number 4. Detoxifies internal organs. And lastly, massages abdominal tissues. Contraindications of Supta Matsyendrasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with internal organ surgery, limited range of motion in hip region, severe low back pain injury, hernia and neck injuries.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.